Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber B and I cover all things home organization, home decor, and lifestyle. So be sure to hit that like button if you love content like this and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the family. So today I am doing the long awaited, heavily requested closet organization, okay? Yes, I'm doing this today, okay? I had to like talk myself up, motivate myself to get to this point. You guys, I've been promising this video for a while, okay? I'll probably actually do a video organizing our closet, so stay tuned for that. As well as the spring cleaning season, because I have a little bug right now and you guys know what's next. But today I'm putting my money where my mouth is and I'm gonna actually organize my closet, and I'll give you guys some tips along the way on how to organize your space at home if you have like a small apartment closet as well. So behind me is my closet, okay? But before I show you guys the before of my closet and get into the video, I want to show you guys the things I'm going to be using to kind of, you know, just amplify the look of my closet, make it feel more organized and just kind of more aesthetically pleasing, because right now it's a sore thumb right now and it's a hot mess, y'all. It really is a hot mess and I'm so scared to like show y'all. Like, just don't judge me. Just don't judge me. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that I got. One of the things that I really like that bothers me about my closet is my plastic hangers. They are pretty cheap. As everyone knows, plastic hangers break a lot. They're just not durable. So I purchased some velvet black hangers. I just like that black is neutral. Could probably withstand the test of time. So I got these from Amazon, and I'm gonna link everything that I bought for my closet organization down below in the description box, because everything that I bought today is from Amazon. So definitely check that out if you are looking to organize your closet space at home. But like I said, I got these from Amazon. I got about 300 hangers because I wanted to make sure I had enough, and so I can have some room to grow if I buy more clothing, because I'm gonna probably be purging a lot and redoing my wardrobe, because yeah, I need just some new items, and really I just need to get rid of things that I'm just not gonna wear anymore at all. Also, I got this little drawer divider thing. So my boyfriend wears like a lot of ties, and I'll show you guys the little contraption that's in my closet right now. Yeah, I'm not happy about it, but you know, it's there. So anyway, here's this little divider that actually is really good like for undies or anything like that, or socks. But I'm gonna use this for all of his ties, which I think is really nice. And it's just a nice way to kind of see everything you have in like a little drawer. So I have 2 of those. And so this will be something that I'll organize his ties in, and he can put it on his side of the closet. So the next thing I got are these pant hangers. There are a good bit of these. Hopefully I don't need more, but I definitely like to kind of hang my pants or my skirts separately and not fold them sometimes, just depending on what type of article of clothing they are. So definitely needed these. And then I have a laundry bin, which I'm gonna show you guys a little bit later what that looks like, because I have to put that together. So these are all the items that I just recently purchased and I'm gonna use for my closet organization. I do have some other items in my closet that I'm just gonna repurpose and use for the time being, because I don't really want to just purchase all new things and just redo everything. I'm not planning on being here for a really long period of time, but I do want to organize this space and get it together, because it just needs some TLC and I'm just so tired of it looking the way it does right now, okay? So with that being said, here is the before of my apartment closet. Ah! Okay guys, so my closet in my apartment is pretty spacious for a 1-bedroom. It's a walk-in closet. So here's my side, of course. As you can see, I don't really have that much clothing. I mean, I really need to get rid of most of this, to be honest. But it just looks chaotic and just messy. And then here are my shoes. Just messy, my Cricut machine. So yeah, I definitely need to do something about this bin. I really, you know, I'm gonna utilize this for now. Definitely gonna probably get rid of this when I move. But it's just super chaotic having this to store my shoes. I store suitcases on the floor. This is just like a extra bin for clothing. And more shoes that are not mine, and that tie rack that I was telling you guys about. It drives me nuts. It really does. So I actually have another basket that I keep up here, and literally I always have to throw my clothes up into the storage basket. So definitely had to order a new laundry basket to maybe put right here. I don't know, I just need a new solution because this was not working. It just wasn't working. And I like sometimes will find clothes like on the ground or just like behind the basket and forget to wash them. This is just really a hot mess, okay? A hot scorching mess. As you can tell, things are very random in this closet, very random. And then behind me is my boyfriend's side of the closet. So I'm gonna change out his hangers. His side is pretty neat, so way better than mine. He has his UGA poster up there. You know, just let him have that. And then my suitcase is up there and his duffel bag. So, I mean, I guess that's not that bad. I'm just gonna spice it up on this side. Not gonna do too much organization on this side. Really just focusing on my side because y'all, this is a hot mess. Like, it's a hot mess and I'm so tired of it. So anyway, I am gonna jump right into this. I'm not gonna waste any time and just start purging really my side. I'll let him handle his side a little bit later. But I'm gonna start purging all of my clothing, kind of seeing what I want to keep, what I want to get rid of, purging everything out of the closet, you know, making sure that I just kind of categorize and go through items. And then we'll figure out what system we're gonna put in place to make this closet a lot more functional, because right now it's just not working. Like, this is not working. I mean, this being like vertical is taking up so much storage space. So I just need to change like a lot of things, including that, like, and that, like, a lot of stuff just has to go. So anyway, let's get into the organization of the closet. Okay, so that's all the clothing that I had hung up in my closet on my side. So I am gonna go through all of this, like I said, and figure out what I want to keep and what I want to give away. I want to show you guys some of the pieces that I have in my closet. So this is like a dress I actually bought for like a birthday shoot a while back, I think. I can't remember what birthday it was, but I only got this dress for like $5. And it's actually a really cute dress. I love this. So I definitely need to lose some weight to get back in this, because this thing is, it's bomb on. I'm gonna keep this little motivation piece. I think you always need a couple motivation pieces in your closet. Don't know about this. Probably definitely gonna, I don't know. Well, actually this would be cute for like something like business casual. I have so many jumpers and rompers, but mostly jumpers, and I absolutely love them. Like, this is my favorite. I don't think I can get rid of this. So cute. And it's just so sassy. I feel like I can get rid of this. I don't know. This is a dress I would wear like in college, and it's cute, but I feel like it has surpassed its time. So definitely donating this 1996 suit. This is like my first ever suit that my mom like gave me. It was a hand-me-down suit, and I used to rock this like at every interview like it was no one's business. And let me tell you, I got a couple jobs, okay? I don't know, this is really cute. I mean, the blazer still fits really nice. It's really cute, but some things just kind of run its course, and I definitely need some fresh pieces, so I'm gonna force myself to donate it, because if I don't, I'll keep it and keep wearing it, and I don't need to do that. So all right, so this is how my room looks right now. I took everything off of the hangers, so everything I want to keep is on the bed, and I am going to get rid of all of these ugly plastic hangers. I can't believe, like, they weren't even one color. Like, I'm okay with plastic hangers if they're all one color, they're all uniform. Like, they were blue, green, some plastic hangers from the stores, a little white, off-white, just all types of hangers and colors and all that going on. So anyway, like I said, I am gonna put the clothing on the new hangers, which I absolutely love, and then I am gonna place all of the clothes back into the closet. But I wanna show you guys really quick what the closet looks like right now. I actually took out some things in the closet and did some rearranging, so I wanna show you guys what that looks like right now and what type of system I'm thinking about in the closet. All right, the lighting is kind of bad in here. So anyway, I'm gonna put our clothing basket right here, and I'm gonna probably label them. So gym clothes, lights and darks. So this was just a good place to put it. So I'll put that right there. We have a shoe rack, a bin with clothing, and then another shoe rack. I'll probably put this Cricut machine on top of here, because now that I don't have the clothing baskets on top of the shelving, I have more room for like my suitcase and just other like storage items. So I'm gonna definitely clean this off and just make this a little bit more presentable. Getting rid of that, of course, so that'll be more room to kind of put clothing if I need to. But yeah, it's coming along. I'll probably, even though I was complaining about this being vertical, I'll probably keep this vertical but still hang stuff above it. So like maybe my pants can go up here, because I'll be able to kind of at least fold them nicely and hang them in a way that they aren't like super long. And I just need to figure out what I'm gonna do with these shoes right here. Thinking about maybe purchasing some more of these bins from the Container Store, which these are some really good, like, inexpensive bins, by the way. I'll make sure to link these down below in the description box. But yeah, thinking about doing some of those bins, putting the shoes in there, and then, you know, just having them labeled really nicely just for like my shoes, and cleaning this up. Like I said, this is really just a temporary solution, but I still want it to look really nice and functional for now. And yeah, I do have like some workout stuff too, like my yoga mat, some resistant bands, and just other like quarantine workout stuff. So I'll probably have to figure out what I'm gonna do with that. Let's go ahead and get into hanging the clothing up, getting that back in the closet, and then fixing like my shoes and everything else in the closet, because it just all needs a little TLC. Okay, so everything is transferred onto the new hangers. So I have like my pants and rompers and jumpers on these little hangers, and then I have the rest of my clothing on the black velvet hangers. I really got rid of a lot of things, so I'm really happy with how this turned out. Now I am going to work on the closet. I need to take that down, organize that into the new organizer, organize the shoes, and figure out what's going on up here. So let's do the ties first. Let's get into that. All right guys, so I am going to organize the ties in this little thing, and it's pretty simple. All I'm going to do is take a tie. You can do this with ties, undies, socks, whatever you want, and just simply take my finger and form a roll from my finger with the tie. It forms a nice roll, and then I'm going to place it in the compartment. Boom, easy. So when he goes to look for his ties, he's able to kind of find them in these different compartments. So I'm going to do this with the rest of the ties, and then I'll show you guys how it comes out. You guys, look at the ties. They look so good. And I tried to like coordinate them by type of pattern and like material, because some of them are more silky, some of them just have like that, you know, just rougher, I don't know, pattern. I don't know really what to call it, but and just like by types of patterns too. Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this. So I think this will be really nice and just a nice neat way to really organize the ties and see what you have. I am going to probably use my Cricut machine to just label ties so he knows where these are. So I love them. And then I have like this random, I guess he has like a bow tie, so that's just like randomly placed in there. But there's so many more. There's like what, 1 2 3 4, so there's 9 slots to really grow into. So, and I have another one of these, so a lot of room for growth here. And these are really good too, by the way, for socks and undies. I think I mentioned it already, but really good product. I'm gonna link this down below, like I said in the beginning. And yeah, I love this. I really love this. All right guys, so when I went to print out my labels on my Cricut machine, I realized that I'm almost out of vinyl paper. So that was not gonna work. I'm just gonna use my regular label maker to make the labels that I need. So, just gonna use Old Faithful, and honestly, I already put the labels on there. Honestly, it does not look bad at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the final reveal. So let's get into it. You guys like the finished product. Like I said, I had to do the temporary labels on my bins, and I did the temporary labels as well on the laundry little holders, so I know what goes in what, so dark, light, and gem. So I really love that. And I love how this, you can like take it out and I can just walk to the laundry room with this to do laundry. So love that. And of course it rolls, so that's so convenient there. Everything just really came out so nice. And yes, I just feel so much better about my closet. And my boyfriend's side looks good as well. Like I love this. This doesn't give me anxiety anymore. Well, that is the finished product of my closet. I can't believe I finally did it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.